Hello students, welcome to tutoringcluster.com. So in this video, we are going to explore the NPTEL GATE portal, which was just launched. Now, as you all know that NPTEL, basically it is a joint initiative of IITs and IISc Bangalore, and they provide all the study lectures related to almost all branches, whether it's a computer, electrical, mechanical, or civil. So you are going to get all different study lectures. You can learn. It's totally a free content. Now they have launched GATE portal, right? As you must be aware that GATE, okay, it's a graduate aptitude test in engineering. So every year in February, basically GATE is conducted. And GATE exam, basically it is for the higher studies if you want to go for your MTech or if you want to go for masters. The GATE is compulsory. Also, there are various junior research fellowships are available if you are GATE qualified, as well as you can also pursue the PhDs through GATE exam. Now, if one has to prepare for GATE exam, now there will be no need to pay the extra money because NPTEL is come out with a great initiative for the students who are preparing for GATE exam. So in this video, we are going to explore and we are going to see what are all different features you are going to get in this. So this is a website, as you can see. Okay, it's a gatenptl.ac.in. Okay, this is the website. The link I will provide you in the description box. You can go and visit. Now, here you are going to get, irrespective of your branches, all the GATE topics they have linked with NPTEL content. Okay, as well as you are going to get the video solution of all the previous GATE question. And note that these video solutions, they are going to be very effective, as obviously these are solutions prepared by IITians. Then mapping the GATE question to relevant NPTEL content, right? Now they are also going to launch the online assessment platform for practice, but as of now this is not there. And as well as they are going to come out with online assistance through mentors. So there will be a teachers, there will be a mentors, but this two facility right now it is not available. Still you can make a use of it, and note that it is going to be one of the very important website for all the engineering students. Whether you are going to prepare for GATE or not, don't worry. But even for different competitive exam, government competitive exam like UPSC, IES, or there are different state commission exams, right? Every state they conduct exams for the technical subjects. So for all those preparation, this website is going to be helpful for you. Now, if you go on this website, you can go to NPTEL GATE mapping. Let us see what is there in GATE syllabus mapping. Okay, so once we have clicked, you have the GATE syllabus videos. It's for computer science, electronics and communication engineering, civil engineering, electrical, and then mechanical. Let's say I am from mechanical engineering. So you can click on the mechanical engineering and you can select the subject. Let's say engineering material. Now you can see the topics like forming and joining process, metal forming process, and other topics of engineering materials. So let us see metal forming process. Now whatever syllabus is there, principle of powder metallurgy, principle of welding, brazing, soldering, okay, whatever syllabus is there with respect to GATE, that syllabus they have linked with NPTEL content they already have. For example, let's say if you want to study the principles of metal forming, you can simply click here and you will get the video. You can watch this video carefully. You can make your own notes. So this is a very good thing. Let us explore one more thing. Let's say heat transfer. You can go to topic heat transfer. and these are the various topics you can find. Okay, so around 41 pages are there. Okay, let's say if you want to study the radiation network analysis, simply you have to click and note these are all top class videos. Okay, Sukat Messer and all those things. Okay, it is going to be helpful for you a lot, even for your university exams also. Okay, so simply you can watch here and you can make your own notes. Okay, so this is about GATE syllabus mapping. You can even explore for, if you are from civil or electronics or computer, you can go and watch. Now, second thing, if you want to have the GATE question paper, you can simply click here and you will get all the question paper. Okay, solutions they are providing in separate section. If you want the solution of this, simply click here on video solution, and you can get all the previous year video solutions in detail. For example, let's say mechanical engineering, you have to select your year or topic. Okay, if I'm selecting a year, so from 2010 to 2021, okay, they have the video solution. And don't worry, even if you are not seeing here some years 2015, 16, 17, they are going to upgrade it. Okay, so don't worry about it, you can start. Right, so this is just a beginning. Okay, so you can see examples on Z transform, line integral and all. You can see the solution of it. Okay, so a very good solutions they are providing, so you can go and watch, right? Now if you want to have the particular topic, let's say from production, if you want to study the previous year question, you can go and watch those videos, right? So it's a very easy and handy website. Okay, even if you are from electronics, you can go and watch. So this is going to be a revolutionary kind of thing, because this is all free content, you can see. And it's not just free, but it is been created by IITians and IISc Bangalore. So no need to question on the quality. It is going to be one of the best quality study material which is available free. So please make sure you are using this website carefully and effectively, I will say, because this is going to be very helpful if you are an engineering student. And once as the time will process, you will also get the online assessment platform, as well as there will be a mentors. Okay, so hope you have got the idea. I will give the link in the description. You can go and check out. And if you are an engineering student from the branches which I have mentioned, please make use of this website, whether there is a university exams or any government competitive exams like GATE or IES, etc. So thank you for watching this video. Still, if you have any doubt regarding the GATE exam, you can write in the comment section. And you can also like us on Facebook. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you can subscribe, and please don't forget to share with your friends also, because this is a very important video for an engineering student. Thank you for watching this video.